Switching modes.
Listen to the words that we be spitting for the masses. So coming at you with lines harder than justice. Uplift your minds, get ready for a fight back. Push out as you can and the use of your might. You stand together, repelling corruption, erasing illusions for a better nation. Music can be, man, such a good impulsion. Now make your mind brighter, wider than the ocean. Hip hop is an answer to all my questions. So think about it, what you might change your perception. Truth in the letters, beating to emotion. With conscious tunes, I'm bringing you my notion. Look around you, all the simple things you do, all the shit, man, that you gone through. Hardcore rap blow, nice shiny, I'm a swinging their word souls. Killer boys, what's the roof for? Bringing life in the rag dolls. Heavier than a waterfall, music is my inner core. More like breathing, let's call it spiritual. I'm consciously abducted, negativity depleted. It's a new subject with a new concept. I put my lines in the future's prospect. Let my time be your past or your present, and don't do things, man, that you wanna resent. World out there, be cold and begin. Gotta reap the rewards with a sharp sickle. The grain that you gain, it gets to the nickel. Reward gets used, leaving you confused. Life is a street race, not a blood feud.
మీరు చెప్పండి, మీకు ముందు ఎవరు బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ లేరా?
ఫుడ్ ట్రక్స్ గురించి విన్నావా? ఆల్రెడీ యూఎస్లో బూమింగ్ బిజినెస్. ఒక ట్రక్ కొనుక్కొని ఒక కిచెన్ సెటప్ చేస్తే డన్. మంచి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ మెనూ పెట్టుకో.